Hey there, Mike here, and I thought I'd try a different format of video where I just bring you a little bit of news that's breaking this week and see what your thoughts are. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments about the fact that OpenAI has paused the use of their voice Sky.
Oh no, just when we were about to feel the AGI, I'm on pause.
The main reason appears to be because it sounds too similar to the actress Scarlett Johansson. And those of you that have seen the movie Her will kind of know exactly what I'm talking about. This voice is getting more and more realistic and even developing a personality, as we've seen in the GPT-4o demos.
What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece.
Now, in my opinion, it's not a case of if people eventually develop relationships with these spoken voices, it's when it happens. And I think when this starts occurring, society will change forever. OpenAI are doing their best to stand on a moral high ground here, especially as it pertains to how they deal with voice acting talent. And of course, it's something close to my heart. And I know many people watching my channel will be very familiar with the processes and how voiceover artists used to work and how things have changed so much. In fact, there's been so much controversy over the fact that what used to cost £100 to be produced and voiced by a professional top talent would cost pennies or cents now due to AI voice technology. OpenAI made it clear in a blog post they put out yesterday that they have gone through huge processes to select just 5 voices that are used in the current ChatGPT app, and Sky has been paused, much to the disdain of much of the internet. Although also there's controversy on the other side saying this voice is too close to Scarlett Johansson. What's going on here?
I am not Scarlett Johansson.
So I'm curious, what do you think from a voiceover perspective, from a building relationships with the AI voices you talk to perspective, and from the ability to just lose access to a voice you were happily chatting to only a few days ago inside the ChatGPT app? So I'm opening the floor or the comments, I suppose, down below to you to find out what your sentiment is on the fact that we've lost the voice of Sky temporarily while OpenAI resolve any controversies surrounding this issue. What do you think? We'd love to hear from you. Trying a different format of video just to see how it works. Thanks for watching.